Oh, welcome to my review of my new Toyota Yaris. It's the new 2020/2021 Yaris Hybrid, and this one's in dynamic trim. I've owned it a week. Well, I've actually had it 8 days, and so far managed to put just over 600 miles onto her. I've got a good inkling of what this car's like to own, having now used it every day since I've owned it. My car was put straight to work. As of the first day I owned it. It's a car I use for business, a car I use for pleasure, like all my cars. I'm on my second tank of fuel. First tank is what they gave me when I bought it. I just used that up and ran it just to get used to the car. And we did about 450 miles on what fuel was in the car. It wasn't a full tank, but it was enough just to get used to the car. When I ordered the car, I chose white as my colour, because I like white cars. And then about 2 weeks into the wait after ordering it, I was thinking, have I chosen the right colour? Because I'd seen a red one with the black roof in the dealership, the launch edition. And then realised how smart the red one was with the black roof. And I'm thinking, I should have gone for the launch. Or I should have gone for the white one with the black roof. But it wasn't until I got down to the dealership Saturday the 19th of September, which was the day I collected my car, when I saw it the first time in its white, I sort of instantly went, oh my god, that looks smart. It looks so good in white. Because in dynamic trim, there's a lot of black on the car. The grille's black, the mirror caps are black, all the trim around the windows is black. We've got privacy glass in the back and in the rear window in the hatch. And I think the contrast between the white and the black is what makes the car. The white also makes the car look very, very low and very, very wide. It shows the haunches off. It shows the flared wheel arches. My first impressions upon driving the car were refinement in comparison to the 2016. Toyota have improved the refinement of the Yaris, and they're chalk and cheese. It's hard to believe in such a short period of time so much improvement can be made on a car. To go from what was a very, very good car in the past, the Yaris Hybrid was a brilliant car. It drove nice, it was reliable, it was economical, it was very, very quiet. But you always knew you were driving a hybrid. You got that sort of elastic band feeling when you accelerated. The engine would rev up, then the car would go. This one doesn't feel like that. The acceleration on this one is instantaneous. It is really, really very, very responsive. But it keeps the Toyota traits, familiarity. If you've come out of a Toyota and you've got into one of these, everything is where you expect it to be. Everything feels Toyota. Everything feels quality in the car. I haven't found anything in the car yet I don't like. The steering's precise, steering's light, but at the same time there's a lot of feel in the steering. There's nice noises, there's nice feels to all the stalks. All the buttons feel precise. The car is a quality piece of engineering. I'm not saying the old one was not a quality piece of engineering. This one, they've stepped the game up. They've dramatically improved the quality. They've dramatically improved the refinement. And that gentleman's looking at me now as if to say, that car's making no noise. It's a bold and striking design as well, in comparison to Toyotas of the past. Toyota have made this car look very, very sporty. Not only have they made it look sporty, especially on this trim level where we've got the 17-inch wheels, they've tuned the suspension totally different to the two bottom models in the range, which are running on 16-inch alloys. They're a lot softer and a lot more supple, and they ride very, very nice. This one rides very firm, but very well controlled. You've got the confidence to throw it into a corner and it's just going to stick. There's no body roll on it. At the moment, my overall fuel consumption since owning the car is just over 61 miles to the gallon. And I'm taking you down this little route I'm doing now because it's a route I do every single day. These are the roads I drive on. I don't drive in town very often. I work and live in a rural environment. You okay there?
Hi. Thank you.
You're okay. Enjoy your ride. There's another advantage of a hybrid. You don't frighten the horses with the engine noise. You can either do what I've just done there, stop, there's no noise, the horses are happy, they go past. Or you can creep past them on your hybrid and electric system. I'm just going to pull over and park in this gateway and I'll show you some of the features of the car. Yeah, we get a very nice high definition reversing camera, but you still have to be aware you can't rely on the camera. Let's square myself up so I've got some room to walk around the car and show you things. Well, this is where I'm ending the video. I think it's quite long enough. I've got a load of editing to do now. Put your comments down below the video, let me know what you think.